In chapters 3 and 4 of Dune by Frank Herbert, pivotal events unfold as we delve into the complexities of the Atreides family and the looming move to the desert planet of Arrakis. Chapter 3, The Reverend Mother. Back on the oceanic world of Caladan, Lady Jessica, a member of the enigmatic Bene Gesserit sisterhood, engages in a tense conversation with the Reverend Mother Gaius Helen Mohayim. The dialogue opens with the Reverend Mother criticizing Jessica for not adhering to the Bene Gesserit plan that required her to bear a daughter for the Atreides family. Instead, Jessica chose love over duty, giving birth to a son, Paul, with the belief that he might be the prophesied superbeing, the Kwisatz Haderach. Despite her disobedience, Jessica's argument highlights the importance of her son to Duke Leto, Paul's father. The conversation then turns to Paul's potential and his recent encounter with a life-threatening test administered by the Reverend Mother, which he miraculously passed. Paul is called in, and he shares with the women his recurring dreams, notably of a mysterious girl with distinctive deep eyes, a foreshadowing of future encounters on Arrakis. This conversation provides insight into Paul's evolving consciousness and his grave sense of destiny, marked by the term terrible purpose. His anger towards the Reverend Mother and a deep-seated fear of the unknown further underscore the emotional and psychological burden he carries. Additionally, the Reverend Mother's acknowledgement of Paul's training under Jessica in the ways of the Bene Gesserit, including the potent ability known as the Voice, sets the stage for his extraordinary capabilities and the pivotal role he is to play. Chapter 4, Arrakis. The narrative transitions to an exposition on Paul's education and his interactions with key figures in the Atreides household. An epigraph from Princess Irulan reflects on Paul's lonely but intellectually stimulating upbringing. Paul's conversation with Thufir Hawat, the Atreides mentat, a person trained to perform mental functions rivaling computers, shifts the focus towards the imminent dangers awaiting the Atreides on Arrakis. They discuss the unforgiving nature of the desert planet, its violent storms and severe water scarcity. Furthermore, Hawat underscores the political and environmental challenges that lie ahead. Informed by the Emperor's directive for House Atreides to assume control of Arrakis, signaling a mixture of opportunity and peril. The loyalty and caution of the Atreides retainers are further emphasized through Paul's training session with Gurney Halleck, a troubadour warrior. Gurney's rigorous combat training not only prepares Paul physically, but also imparts critical survival instincts, highlighting the deadly realities that await them on Arrakis. Paul's respect for Gurney and their camaraderie reflect the strong bonds within the Atreides ranks, a vital element amid the forthcoming upheavals. Throughout these chapters, Herbert weaves a complex tapestry of political intrigue, destiny, and survival, setting the groundwork for the epic saga that unfolds on the parched expanses of Arrakis. The themes of duty, prophecy, and personal choice are intricately explored through Paul's interactions and inner turmoil, painting a vivid picture of a young heir grappling with the weight of expectations and an uncertain future. Thanks for watching this Bookly Crash Course video. Please smash that like button, hit subscribe, and leave a comment down below about what videos you would like to see next.